Welcome back. Just hours after 4 Indian Army personnel on board an Army helicopter were detained in Pakistan after the chopper entered their airspace, reportedly due to bad weather. The issue has been resolved. Army sources say the chopper with the crew has returned to Kargil. The row was reportedly settled after the Director General of Military Operations on both sides spoke to each other. Army sources say the pilots will be questioned and the GPS devices of the chopper will be analyzed for the exact location and time of the incident. The Cheetah helicopter of the Army Aviation, which was flying from Leh to Bhimbhat, was first reported to have gone missing and was then escorted down by Pakistani forces. A crucial meeting of the Congress State Unit of Rajasthan has been held today after State Water Resources Minister Mahipal Madena was sacked over allegations of his links with missing midwife Boundary Devi. Unconfirmed reports say Gehlot may reshuffle his cabinet soon. Congress General Secretary in charge of Rajasthan, Mukul Wasnik, is also attending the meeting. The Congress in Rajasthan has also been in the dock for over a month over the police firing in Bharatpur district, in which 10 people lost their lives. A series of security meetings on the security situation in Jammu and Kashmir are slated in Srinagar. A central government team led by Cabinet Secretary has arrived in Srinagar. The team will meet Northern Army Commander and civil administration. Sources have told NDTV that Chief Minister Omar's proposal of withdrawal of AFSPA from some selected areas will be discussed in the high-level meeting. The Cabinet Defence and Home Secretary will also be meeting Omar Abdullah tomorrow, wherein also the AFSPA will be discussed. At least 32 people have died as a suspension bridge collapsed 30 kilometers from Darjeeling in West Bengal. People have gathered on the bridge to listen to Gorkha Janmukh Morcha leader when it collapsed. Over 100 people are injured. The army is involved in rescue operations. The bridge was weakened by a quake. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is expected to visit the site today.
यहाँ पर एक मेला चल रहा था साइट में रात में, और वहाँ पर विमल गुरुंग जी भी भाषण दे रहे थे इधर में। उसी में लोगों को बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे ब्रिज से पास कर रहे थे, जैसे इकट्ठा इससे जिसके भार के वजह से, अधिक भार के वजह से यह बहुत ब्रिज बहुत पुराना था, इससे भी ब्रिज ध्वंस हो गया। हम लोग फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट से रात में भी इसमें रेस्क्यू किए हैं और अभी भी रेस्क्यू किया जाने वाला है। कुछ लोग सस्पिशियस है जो कुछ मिल सकते हैं, अभी भी कुछ बच्चे घायल होने या कहीं मृत पाने की संभावना है।
Senior BJP leader L.K. Advani has clarified that he will be going to Bangalore during his Rath Yatra. There was a question mark on his Bangalore visit after supporters of B.S. Yedurappa, the former jailed Chief Minister of Karnataka, had objected to his visit. Yedurappa's supporters were objecting to Advani's comments in Nagpur, in which he had said that Yedurappa had been cautioned in advance, but when the Lokayuta report came out, he had to resign immediately. The BJP's anti-corruption crusade has been dented after Yedurappa's arrest in this corruption case. At least 2 people died and 25 were injured in a bus accident. A bus going from Srinagar to Jammu fell into a gorge near Namdani on the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway. The rescue operation started immediately and the number of deaths may rise. Lot more national updates right ahead on the other side of the break.